Hello and welcome, I am Thomas Porteous and you're watching NewsX World. Let's take a look at some of the top global stories. Russian President Vladimir Putin orders his forces to stop all military activity in Ukraine, announcing an Easter truce through Sunday. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky says Kiev will respect the truce, but accuses Moscow of already violating it. The US Supreme Court temporarily blocks the Trump administration from deporting a group of Venezuelan migrants under a rarely used wartime law. The Trump government urges the court to lift the order. Israeli forces continue striking the Gaza Strip, with 54 people reported killed in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Hamas says the fate of his Israeli hostage remains unknown after his guard's body is found following an Israeli strike. Iran and the United States agree to begin drafting a framework for a potential nuclear deal. After talks, a top US official calls progress very good. President Trump threatens military action if Iran doesn't swiftly accept a new deal to halt nuclear weapons development. Thousands of anti-Trump protesters take to the streets in communities large and small on Saturday. The demonstrators coincide with the 250th anniversary of the start of the American Revolutionary War. Houthi-run media reports 13 deadly airstrikes in Yemen. At least 3 people are killed and 4 others are injured in the latest US strikes on Sana'a city districts. Reports say a gunman kills at least 56 people in Nigeria earlier this week in Benue State. The death toll is updated after initial underreporting follow a visit to the scene by the state governor. Oman's Sultan is set to visit Moscow on Monday, days after Muscat-mediated talks between Iran and the United States. The Sultan will hold talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin set for Tuesday.